When Tom Monaghan and his brother James bought a small pizza shop named Domino's in Ypsilanti, Michigan in 1960, no one could have imagined what it would become.
Initially, both brothers worked together at this small shop, but after some time, James traded his share to Tom for just an old Volkswagen Beetle. Tom decided to take this business forward alone and, in 1965, renamed it Domino's Pizza.
The 30 minutes or free concept he introduced revolutionized the fast food industry. This journey, which started from a small shop, has become.
Now we move toward the state-of-the-art Domino's supply chain factory in the USA, where the real magic begins. Pure filtered water combines with specialized yeast, salt, and golden oil, dispensed with mechanical precision. Here the dough gets the time to properly ferment and proof, giving it its signature flavor and fluffy texture. Through drone camera shots, these trucks cruise along the beautiful highways of the USA, heading straight to local Domino's outlets.
Here you go. Thanks, see you in a bit.
All right, let's see what's inside.
Hurry up, Dad!
It smells amazing.
Wow, look at that!
Now we move toward China's high-tech yet bustling Domino's supply chain factory, where a perfect combination of modern technology and
advanced sensors precisely measure premium flour, filtered water, and yeast.
The inspected dough balls drop neatly into blue Domino's trays. An automated robotic stacking system lifts and arranges the fill.
Push it further back. Securing the latch now. Clear the ramp.
The kitchen scene reflects a fast-paced, energetic environment.
Your order is here. Enjoy your dinner.
Thank you so much.
Pizza. You're welcome.
好吃。
真的很香，
西西好好吃。
不错不错。
Pizza's here, everyone. It smells so good.
Let's open it up.
This is lovely.
Perfect night for it.
Enjoy, everyone.
Between the two countries, whose Domino's pizza production process did you like the best? Be sure to let us know in the comment box. And to watch more secret videos like... Look at that incredible cheese pull. Wow, this is absolutely delicious.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using SuperGrok, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.